Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to see the strategies for the growth of small scale enterprise. Last class, we have discussed about the expansion is a kind of strategy for the small scale enterprise. Likewise, the next strategy is adopted by small scale enterprise for developing processes, diversification. So expansion is the same business is expanded in the throughout the market, the same product will be expanded. But the diversification is a different point where we will go for different kind of business. So a new business we will go for, that is called as diversification. For example, you take a ITC. ITC is in hotel industry and FMGC sector and as well as notebook industry, and there are different various sectors where they are doing their business. Like this, they will diversify their business. So there are different kinds of diversification. The first one is horizontal diversification. Horizontal diversification where we go for different business. For example, take a example of Godrej. Godrej is famous for fridge. They are doing the fridge business. Actually, they are moved forward to AC and safety lockers and bureaus and smart kitchen. So these are the various areas where they have diversified their business. So this is called as horizontal diversification where we go for. So that is called as horizontal diversification. The next one is a vertical diversification. Vertical diversification is the same line where we'll diversify into the business into the same product. For example, if I'm manufacturing a car, so I need a steel, tire and other materials. So I will make a venture with a tire company to manufacturing of a car. So instead of it, what is a vertical diversification is my company itself start producing a tire sector which is useful for the manufacturing of a same product. Instead of buying it, I will manufacture it. That is called as a vertical diversification. So that I can use it for my own car also, and I can sell for the other car sectors who need for tires. So that is a vertical diversification. For example, I am manufacturing a TV. So in TV there are various parts. So I will start to manufacturing a different part. So instead of buying a parts, I will make a separate sector to manufacturing the particular part. That is called as a vertical diversification. So that is called as a vertical diversification. A third diversification is a concentric diversification. A concentric diversification is a diversification where I won't change the industry, but I will change the product for production. That is called as concentric diversification. This can be applicable for FMGC sector. Take a brand of ITC or some other brand where they are FMGC stands for fast movable consumer goods. So they are manufacturing. So in FMGC sector where they will go for if I'm producing a ketchup, I can go for bread or other products, noodles packet, so that it can be a whole product. So that is called as concentric diversification. That is, I won't change the industry, but I will change the product. So soap, shampoo, so this is also a concentric diversification. So if I'm manufacturing a tea, I can go for coffee. That is also a concentric diversification. So the industry won't change, only the different product which I am giving under the industry will be same. The next one is conglomerate diversification, where it is the change of industry. So here also we can take an example of ITC where they are doing a different business, tourism business, and they are manufacturing the cigarettes and tourism sector. Then then they have a hotel industry and FMGC sectors. So they are doing business in different. They diversified their business. So if one industry got making a loss also, they can able to compensate by getting a more profit in other industry. That is called as a conglomerate diversification, where every company is starting to do this kind of business. So these are the different strategies under diversification for small scale enterprises. And the other strategy is joint venture. A joint venture is nothing but two companies will come together for a temporary or a permanent basis for the production of a product. So after the agreements gets over, they will go for their work. They will carry their work. Carry their own work. That is called joint venture. So this can be mostly adopted in enterprise when when the foreigners want to do business in our country, because we have a knowledge regarding our economy. They have a money and technology, so that both can be combined to apply in India. So basically the first joint venture mostly adopted in the technology business, because they have we don't have a upgraded technology, but in other countries they have upgraded technology, but we have a population to start a business. So both companies will come together to start a business in India, so the both companies can get benefited. Next one is geography. Geography is India has have vast land where there is more number of areas where the foreigners doesn't know where they have to start the business, where are the target customers. So mostly ICICI Prudential. ICICI belongs to Indian company. Prudential is a foreign company. Both they have doing a joint venture for the life insurance policy in India. So that is this is can be taken as an example for a geographic location. A third one is regulation. So regulation can be also taken for joint venture when the foreigners are not allowed directly to do business in India. So in life insurance also, the foreign company can't come for India directly. So they have to be linked with other companies in India to do business in India. So the regulations or government regulations also playing a major role in the joint venture. If you want to reduce the risk and capital, because the foreigners have more capital, so if they are ready to invest money in a country, the risk can be shared between the two companies, so that the sharing of risk and capital also the joint venture is making a help. The last one is intellectual exchange, where both have a good idea whether we want to express our ideas between the two concerns, so that both country can be benefited. So for this alone the joint venture can also be used. So these are the different today in class we are seeing two different strategies for small scale enterprise to do more business in India and other countries. The one is diversification, the other one is a joint venture. Thank you. I hope you would have understand the concept. Go through the concept. We can meet in next class.